Hello ladies and gents, welcome back to Name Does It. Today we're going to be transplanting our climbing star jasmine and building a custom trellis board. We have some rich soil mixed in with some Miracle Grow potting mix. Okay, we're going to cut our root ball in the bottom. For added strength, what I've done is taken a 3/4 inch PVC pipe and slip it over the wood. We're going to take our potting soil. What we have here is some old curtain rods. These are going to work great because we can adjust the height. And we're going to drill holes. You can see I've done one right here. And these are just wood screws I've had laying around. I've done a review on this $20 Skills screwdriver. Now at any time we want, we could actually just remove the screws and adjust the height as needed. Now what we want to do is, you see where it's overlapping, this is going to be the strong piece. That's going to go into the pot. We're going to straighten out this base piece. And we're going to butt it right up against. Since we need that base to be strong, we're going to take these wood screws that I got at Home Depot. You can find them in the roof panel aisle. I really like these screws. They have a rubber washer and then a hex bit, 1/4 inch, so it's nice and strong. We're putting one more right here at the top. The next step's going to be doing the crosses. However, I wonder how stable it is once it goes up. So I'm thinking of stabilizing it here and then one here. Okay, we use the cut-off wheel. We're going to use another wood screw. I've already pre-drilled the hole. Since this is a 1/4 inch bit adapter, we don't need anything. So even though we have this here, it can still twist. So what I've done here, taken some picture hangers. Have one here, we're gonna have one here. Okay, what we've done off camera is put that picture hanger here, and then also added a screw. And did the same to the other side. So now it's nice and stable. Now that we have it at a proper height, we're gonna go ahead and screw it in. I'm going to be using the scribing tool. I think I did a review on it. What that tool helps is kind of start like a little pilot. Here's where we're at so far. We just have this one bar here to bolt on. Okay, we have it clamped down. Okay, let's start with the small drill bit. Now moving on to the 1/8. We're not going to put a screw in this middle piece because at some point we'll be getting rid of this piece of wood. And it's structurally sound as it is. We got done just in time. If this is your type of content, be sure to like and subscribe, and also be sure to visit my channel and check out all my full-length videos.